Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're trying to predict a Bitcoin pump that could be here. Okay. Alright guys, tracking for a Bitcoin pump today. A swift pump where it just rips and everyone who's short just gets liquidated is what I'm thinking. So I do believe it's here. I don't know if it's like this instant or is it going to be maybe a little later, but I do think Bitcoin is ready to pump, and it's ready to pump fast once it does it. It's just a matter of the exact second that it does it. Alright guys, I'll keep you up to date on this trade and crash alerts. I've sent out this message. Look for pullback / long entries on Solana. Mega pump is somewhat possible. Like a quick 2,000 to 3,000 point within an hour, within seconds really, is very possible. So here we go guys. We're going to find out soon. And this will be a magnificent and beautiful pump if I'm right. You see what I'm saying, guys? You see what I'm saying? When you know how to read the charts, you know when these pumps are coming. Okay? Alright, so that's what I've been talking about today, right? Is we could get a pump up to 43,000 just like this. Liquidate a ton of shorts, and just it comes out of nowhere, and it just destroys people on the short side today. And so that's the plan. We're actually starting to see that rip, but it's not the rip that we're really wanting. Right? We want the rip where it rips like that. Okay, so it's still not what we want to see completely. All right, so we're going to be patient. We're going to wait. But yeah, overall, the target on Bitcoin, we want to see it pump up to 43K. Okay, Solana, we want to be seeing it pump up to like 98 bucks. So like I'm calling, right, we just keep pumping and pumping. All right, but the pump ain't over in my opinion. As a matter of fact, the pump hasn't even truly began. All right, you guys ain't seen nothing yet. All right, just wait until it really comes in. And that's the beauty, that's the awesome part. Right? This is okay right now. This is like, it's just, we haven't got to the real part of the trade. And that's what I want you guys to see is the fun part of this. But anyways, guys, we're going to be patient and wait, and hopefully I don't blink, because if I blink, I might miss the pump up to 43K. That could happen like that. All right, and I want you guys to have some fun and enjoy this pump with me, because it's going to be fun. All right, it's going to be good. So, anyways, I'm not going to explain it. You guys could take the course and learn all this shit. Here we fucking go, baby. Call this pump today. And we're killing it here today in Crash Alerts, guys. If you're not in the alerts, man, what are you doing? What are you doing? You think I'm going to make a video on time every time there's a market reversal or something and update you? I can't update you that fast, man. It takes like 3 hours to make a video. Make a thumbnail, edit it. Upload it to YouTube takes like an hour. So I can't update you on the market and my stance on it every 2 seconds if you're just following on YouTube. That's why being in Crash Alerts is huge. And there we fucking go, baby. Fucking told you guys, huh? Fucking told you guys. Let's go. You love to be on the long side when it's pumping, especially when you see it coming. Come on, give us the real pump though. This ain't nothing yet. Get us the 43K like I'm calling for. All right, Crash Alerts, baby. We, think about it. If you call a crash, you should also be able to call when it's time to start longing the crash, right? The whole point of a crash is so you avoid the downfall and the drawdowns, and then you make money when it's time to go long again, right? So, mega pump coming, baby. All right, so guys, I was out and about, so you did miss part of the pump. We pumped up pretty hard, up to 42.3. We were up around $11,000 at the time, and now it's dipped a little. So we're only up around 7,500 bucks, 7,700 bucks right now. And so I'm having just a little bit of concern, just a little bit, because the volume, I can't tell if it's giving me an accurate reading on volume, right? So here we hit this little short-term top, and look at the volume, right? I don't like that. Okay, for example, here we pull back, but look at the volume, non-existent. Here we pull back, look at the volume, non-existent. Okay, here we pull back, that's some real volume. So I sent out a message to everyone. I said, look, any bounce is an opportunity to be taking some profits here. Okay, all right, guys, I locked in half on Solana, and yeah, I'm really not loving what I'm seeing, sadly. And I had much higher expectations for this trade, so this kind of sucks, but I'm going to go ahead and lock in. Half here. I'm going to lock in half on everything. I mean, it sucks, but, it's a 50-50 at this point if we go any higher. And when it's 50-50, you can risk it, you can chance it, but I'd say just take at least half your money. See if we can take profit on these 2 Bitcoin longs. And we can always add it back on, right, if we gain more confidence that the move will sustain itself. Yeah, it just stinks a little because I had way higher expectations for this because remember, like I said, once we break resistance, I think we're going to squeeze so hard and liquidate shorts. The problem is, yeah, we squeezed, but we didn't squeeze nearly as much as I was hoping for. Right? I said we squeezed a 43K. We squeezed like 42.3, which, just sucks. How much is that? 3,400, 1,600. Yeah, only 6,000 in profit. Fuck. That stinks, dude. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna close out because I just been having fishy feelings about this now. And honestly, I'd probably short it if I wasn't long, but guess what? Guess what? Whatever, dude. We made money. That's what matters. So, I need to text everyone that I got out. And let's see. Yeah, we just need to close out Bitcoin and Solana. Bitch. Give me my profit. Give me my profit. Just need to lock in on Solana. And that'll wrap it up for today's video, guys. Expectations not met, but still, at the end of the day, what do we make? We're about to find out if I can just get this shit filled so we can cap off the day. You can join Crash Alerts through the link down below this video. And, this thing can go higher. But guess what? It's not about what profits you could have had. It's just, look, at the end of the day, we made 4,700. We made 6,000 bucks, right? And that's all that matters. So if we could have made 10,000, sure. But we made 6,000. At the end of the day, you made 6,000. You're $6,000 richer than you were when you began the day. And that's all that matters, dude. Forget what you could have had. Trade the charts. Trade what you got in front of you. And that's it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. Make sure you're subscribed. That was us longing the Bitcoin pump today. And we nailed it, as you can see. Except we didn't, of course we didn't close out at the exact tippy top. But, you can't be perfect. So, solid $6,000 in profit longing the Bitcoin pump today and Crash Alerts. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to join, click the link below this video, and we'll be taking these trade setups together. I'll see you soon.